ZKAccess 3.5 Training Course. Chapter 2. Device Management.
Area Setting. Click Add to input the information of area and complete adding area by clicking OK. Add Access Control Panel. There are two ways. Click Add and the device interface. Input the information of the device and click OK to confirm. Otherwise, add device by searching Access Control Panel. Click Search Access Control Panels and click Search on the new interface. After searching, all of the Access Control Panels connecting with the system will be displayed. Click Add Device. Input the self-defined device name and branch, and click OK to complete device adding.